Hello. In this video tutorial, I'll give a demonstration on online apartment management. Let us understand how this project works, what are the things is there in this particular project. So it's an PHP MySQL web application project. So the project is written in a PHP, the backend is MySQL. Apartment manage, basically here you can see there's a big apartment. It will have individual houses. We need to collect the maintenance from each house. So therefore this project mainly concentrate on to collect the maintenance fee from each house owner or each block owner. Now let us look at the software requirement. What are the software required for this project? So we are using HTML. So any web application required HTML, JavaScript. JavaScript basically used to do the validation, CSS for design, and the language used is a PHP. As told already, backend is MySQL server. So therefore it is a PHP MySQL web application. Design. So it will have two modules. So one is an admin module. The other one is a customer module. So the project consists two modules. One is admin module. The other one is a customer module. In case of admin module, we have these options. So we have a qualification details and profession details. These two used in a employee details, even in the customer details. And we have a city details, customer details, apartment house details. These are individual houses. Monthly bill list. So once you generate the monthly bill, that list will be shown here. And this corresponding list is to what are the entries are done on left side, the corresponding list will be shown. So therefore we can click on this buttons to get the list. So this is admin module. Customer module. In case of customer module, they can able to see the maintenance bill and they can able to pay this bill. They can see the list, what all they paid already. House list, what are the houses are there in the apartment, that list they can able to see. Employee list, they can able to see all the employees, all the employees working in a apartment. FAQ list, frequently asked question, that list will appear here. Then log out. So it's a small web application. Now let us look at the tables. What are the tables we are using in this project? So we have around 9 tables here. One is admin login table, city table to store all the city information, customer detail table to store the customer details, employee table is to store the employee details, FAQ table to enter the FAQ details, house fee table. So this is the monthly maintenance fee, house tab, individual houses, profession tab and qualification tab. So these are the tables we designed in this project and we are going to use these tables in the project. Fine. Now let us see like how to run the project. So in order to run the project, first you have to go to htdocs, that is in C drive, exam folder, then htdocs. There you can see that apartment management, there is a folder. This is the project folder. Or if the project folder is not here, we need to copy the project folder and you have to paste it in the htdocs. Right, so these are the files and here is apartment tables. So this is the table file. These table has to be created in SQL Server. So in order to create them, so let's go to Chrome or any browser. Before getting to that, you need to start the exam server. So therefore go to desktop, check out the icon, exam server icon, double click on it, or you can search from the search window and you can start the exam server. So here you can see that you have Apache server and MySQL, both are running. If they are not running, you have to click the start here and let's say stop this and then start. So we can start the server. Even this is not running, so you need to start that. So both should running. Fine, now both the servers are running. Fine, I can close this. Next step is go to Chrome, type localhost. So you have a localhost main dashboard. So click on phpMyAdmin. It'll take you to the phpMyAdmin. And now you can say that you need to create the database called the apartment data. So we already created, but I'll show you, like I'll change apartment 1 and then apartment 1 data. I copy the code, that is create a database. So here is a SQL execution center. So you can paste the code and press Control Enter to execute this. So we're going to create the database of apt1 data. So that's a database. Then next, use apt1 data. apt1 data. So you can use that one. Then we need to create the tables. So therefore I just copy the first table, then paste it here. So Control V and then Control Enter. So we're going to create the table in apt1 data. Fine. Anyhow, I already have the apartment data, so all the tables are created over here. So I'll use this apt data. So next step is we can start the project. So in order to start the project, you go to localhost / apartment management. So exactly the folder name. What are the folder name is already defined in htdocs. Same folder name you have to give it here, apartment management. And the press enter key, it'll take to the main page. So here is a main page, and that's a simple main page. Top you have a picture, here is one more picture and some content here. You can edit this page. So in order to edit this, go back to this htdoc apartment management. So this is the index file. So first one is the index, therefore we need to edit this file. So here you can see that the page code. You can add up some more content over here, or you can change the existing pictures. Fine. You can always do what are the changes you can. Continue. Here is a two module. One is admin login, one is a customer login. Click on admin login. So once you click the admin login, it will take to the login. So you need to log in here. So for admin, it is admin, then admin, because we already inserted a record called as admin. So therefore type admin, submit. So now we'll take to the main page. So here we can enter all the details here. So now first go to the list. You have a degree. Okay, fine. So I want to enter it as a BCA. So this is Bachelor of Computer Application. Right. So that can submit. So record inserted. Now if you go to list, you can see that one more record inserted here. Next, profession list or doctor, there's a one profession. So now you can enter engineer. What engineer it is? So engineer. Submit. So employees also comes under profession only. Therefore, I can enter employee, manager, apartment manager. So same as supervisor, cleaner, all we can enter it here. Like city list. So we already entered Bangalore. So let me enter. Okay, Bangalore is already there. You wish you can enter some more city names here if the apartments in the different cities. So here is the apartment house list 101. There is one list. First we go to customer details. So we'll enter some more customers. I'll enter Anu, customer name. By default, ABCD is the password for them. Anushri. So address. So city name Bangalore. Phone number. So 9012341234. Email ID. So this is anu@gmail.com. So here is the qualifications. So you can say degree or BCA. And what is the profession? So we have a doctor, engineer. So you can choose engineer and then submit. So we created one customer. So now here is the house detail. So here is the customer code, which customer belongs to. This is Anu. House number. So let's say 102. Details. So this is the second house in the ground floor. Number of rooms 2, total price on 45 lakh rupees. Maintenance fee is 2500. So submit this. So record is submitted. Then we have employee list. So you can create employees. Employee code EMP01. Name Ram. Fine. So then you have a mobile number here. You can enter 901234. Email ID. So this is ram@gmail.com. Fine. So he's a manager here. So therefore you can choose manager. So you done a degree. Submit. So one employee we created. Then we go to monthly bill list. It'll show the house numbers and the corresponding monthly bill. So if you go to paid list, if anybody paid and which year they paid, that will show on here. Now we'll open one more tab, localhost / apartment management. Now let me log in as a customer. So here is Anu, ABCD is the password. Submit. You go to maintenance bill. Here you show the maintenance bill 2500 for which month. So this is for June month. So I can choose June month. So how do you make the payment? So it's a dummy payment. So debit card. So what is the card number? So I'll just do 1234 details. Paid by using debit card. So you can write more detail about here. But this is a dummy payment to show like payment is done. Fine. So it's a go to paid list. You'll show that which month for which year the amount is paid. Then house list, it'll show all the houses. So who are staying in that houses, the details will be shown over here. Employee list, you'll get a complete employee list and their mobile number. In any case you would like to communicate with them, you can able to communicate. So here is the FAQ list. Any FAQ list comes, that will come over there. Then we can log out from this. Fine. So these are the options which is provided from the admin side, and these are the options in the customer side. So you can try to build this application yourself. So please contact us if you want any other information or you want to buy this project. Thank you.